Hey guys, it's handzy.craft again, and it's also me from the previous review of the quiet book. This quiet book is made from a boy for a boy named Kaiser. It's actually an order that we made. So this is you also may notice is a duplicate of the previous quiet book that I showed you. So let's just kind of whiz through this, but also because this has some major differences and some maybe not differences, maybe something to say. So here is a blue chick with some blue hearts at the bottom, holding the balloon, spelling out Kaiser's name. Here we've got as you also may recognize, the page with the shapes. So we just have to sort this out. I don't really have anything to say about this because if you didn't know, the link will be in the description below. So here. So as you also may notice, there are different colours. So for example, this used to be pink. If I'm not mistaken, this used to be orange, and all these different colours. On this page, we've got the petals. Same kind of filling inside, but they have some kind of differences. So we also, this time, they need to be sorted out in a rainbow order, and they have a purple middle with a squeaking thing sound. This one just has soft, and it's really kind of squishy as well. Then we've got the yellow one with the same holographic kind of 3D thing. Next we've got the orange one. You can hear how it rattles, and we've got different shapes that you can feel inside. The red one is literally exactly the same, so yes. The purple one, also some kind of sheep spawn thing inside. This one has the same sequin. This one has the mirror effect, but with the blue kind of adding, and of course the middle. Next, we've got a nice snail here. You can swap these like usual. Quite hard though to take off. They're also different design. This used to be a different colour. And you can also put this back. This used to be actually 4 in here if I'm not mistaken. Like that. You can put that back so it's not raining. You can see that, and the white one for the white cloud. So you have the little maze that was made before. This time it was with a nice kind of green pearl thing, with a purple actual shell and a green outline. So here we've got proper eyes, now better eyes, and some more rattly stuff here. This one is also the C part of the previous book. Same kind of design, has the same gems moving, same kind of things, but they're made just from a bit of different things. Got different stuff there, made of different nests. For this we have got a dolphin, a sea turtle, a stuck fish with that face, another fish. I think it's a squid. Another fish, and a crab, a ray or stingray, seahorse, jellyfish, and I think that's it. Yeah, it is that. That's it. Quite a lot of animals. If you put these in here, it's quite crowded, I should say. But there you have it, and there's also different kind of, this one is a more or less holographic one. If we turn the page, we come to a very familiar orchard page. Here we have different stuff to put inside, like a potato and a carrot, some garlic, onions, beetroot, and we have pear, have a pepper, Also, like in the previous book, we have all of these kind of additions. So you can, for example, this could be a pear tree, this could be an apple tree, or it could be a pear and an apple tree, but I don't know if that actually exists. Next we have a pumpkin with a potato, oh tomato, potatoes right there. And of course for the crops to grow we need a sun or a rain cloud, like this. This one is a bit of a lighter one than before. This one, the last page, well there's here in the back, but this is the actual last inside page. We have a animal farm place. So here we've got a nice chicken that sits in this coop. A duck. They have really cute eyes this time, not like before. You can see it's more done with experience. A nice sheep and a cow, pig, goat, and a horse. See some of these, if you close it, you can see some of them peeking out, but I'm just going to change that so it doesn't peek out the whole actual book. Like that, you can see it peeking out. That is all of the inside book parts. So here you can see all of them. Now, more of the backstory of this book. This was picked some pages. As you may notice, there are not a lot of pages as there were before, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, well, 6, 8 pages because that and that is of course counted as a page. So, like I said, it's secured here, so for example if they order any more pages we can just put it out and secure it back in. Now, the back side, the back of the book. We put these and unused stuff that we don't need in this back pocket. Like this. So here, there's no kind of hiding stuff behind this, but we've got leaves, really nice pretty leaves, and the same thing here, but this time it's actually kind of prettier because we can see the actual part where the flower grows from. So if you, for example, if you pull it out, you can see that part of the flower. If you put it like that, you can see the bumblebee hiding inside. If I'm not mistaken, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye!